All right, so in this video, I'm going to go over some multi-step percent problems. There's no new material in this video. You have to rely on all the material we've learned so far this unit to be able to solve these problems. So here we go. Zach currently gets paid $12 an hour at his job. Next month, he'll receive an 8% raise. After this raise, how much will he get paid per hour? Well, he's going to get 100% of his salary, and he's earning an 8% raise. So he's going to be getting 108% of his original salary, which is 1.08 times $12, which is $12.96. Now you also could have just calculated what is 8% of 12. You would have gotten 96 cents, and then you could have just added the 96 cents on and found out, okay, now he's going to get paid $12.96 an hour. Zach has to work 6 hours on Monday. How much more money will he earn during this shift after his raise than he would have made before his raise? Well, there's multiple ways of solving this, but one way you could do it is say, okay, so he used to get paid $12. So if he worked for 6 hours, he would have gotten paid $72. Now he gets paid $12.96. So if he worked for 6 hours, he'd get paid $77.76. And how much more did he get paid? Well, I would just subtract, and I could get $5.76. So he gets paid $5.76 more. Now, another way you could have done this is say, well, he gets 96 cents more an hour. So 96 cents more an hour times 6 hours is $5.76, which is a really fast way of doing the problem. But either way, you get the right answer. Harlan is a salesperson at a car dealership. He earns 20% commission on his total sales. If he earned $2,840 in commission on a car he sold, how much did he sell the car for? So they're telling you the part that Harlan made in commission, and they're telling you the percent that he made of the commission, and they're asking, what was the whole price of the car? So you can do part equals percent times whole. So he gets to keep $2,840, which is 20% of the whole price of the car. Divide both sides by 0.20, and you get x equals $14,200. So the car must have been $14,200. All right, next one, or I guess the last one, I'm not sure. Each sales associate at an electronics store has a choice of 2 salary options below. So here's option 1. You get $280 per week. Plus, you get 8% commission on your total sales. And then option 2, you get $475 per week, no commission, just $475 per week. So to me, it looks like this is the option that I would pick, but this option, you get 8% commission. So I guess it would matter how much you sold, because you get 8% of whatever you sold. So that's where this next sentence comes into play. The average of the total sales for each associate last year was 125,000. Oh my gosh. I started the video over before because I couldn't say that number like after 4 tries, and I was like, I have to start this video over, but I'm not starting it over this time. All right. Based on this average, what's the difference between the 2 salary options each year? So let's look at option 1. So first you get $280 a week. So $280 a week for 52 weeks, because on average a year is around 52 weeks. Okay. So that means you get $14,560. And if you also get 8% commission, and you usually sell around $125,000 worth of sales, that means you get around $10,000 worth of commission. So if I add how much you get paid weekly with how much you get paid for commission, the salary for option 1 is around $24,560. Option 2, you don't get any commission. You just get $475 a week. So 475 times 52, you'd get 24,700. So here's option 1, here's option 2. What is the difference between the two salary options? So I'm going to subtract 24,700 minus 24,560, and the difference between the two salary options is $140. All right. Okay, this looks like a different question. So the city is going to raise its sales tax from 6% to 8.75% after the first of the year. How much tax would Brian save on a $14,300 car if he bought the car before the first of the year rather than after the first of the year? So let's find out how much tax he would pay if he bought it before the first of the year. Let's find out how much tax he would pay if he bought it after the first of the year, and then let's see how much more he would pay here. So originally tax was 6%. So if he bought a car that was $14,300 and he had to pay 6% tax, then how much tax would he save? Okay, so I'm just calculating tax here. So I'm going to do, okay, what is 6% of 14,300? And I get, it is $858 for tax. Now here, they're saying tax is now 8.75%. So that's 0.0875 times 14,300. And if that was the case, then you would pay $1,251.25 for tax. So you pay more for tax here. They increased how much tax you have to pay. So it would be better to buy before the first of the year. And they're saying how much would he save if he bought it before the first of the year? We're going to have to subtract here. You're going to have to do $1,251.25 minus $858. And you're going to get that he saves $393.25. All right, I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any questions.